On the minnow. Already.
Damn, back in my bag in a chrome hard mask. I just crashed the Rari cause the bitch too fast. She broke my heart to pieces, Ellie, I take glass. Hit the strip club and I'm coming right back. I just bought a cig and then got kicked back. Check out the fridge and a new Maybach. Crew clutch, diamonds on the top of my hands. Got her on her knees and she not praying. Taking Adderall cause I don't do Zans. For the AP.
Hey, what's going down, man? It's your boy Big L, man. Welcome back to the channel. I'm waiting on my little partner, man, DLC. You know what I'm saying, to get here. We can take these yaks, you know what I'm saying, on through these little marshes, so it should be a smooth little time everywhere out of live shrimp, right? So we got some minnows, got some artificials, man. We're gonna see if we can get something shaking. So let's get to it, man. So we on the water, you feel me? Oops. And I'm about to troll one of these minnows. Damn, that's a big ass one. Perfect. Look at that minnow. Perfect. I'm gonna go. Just like that right there. Oh, look at the short cast. This little marsh system is pretty easy to access. Oh, I'm on. Oh, on the minnow. On the minnow. Already. Oh. Come on. Red. Red. There we go. Keeper. Keeper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Off the minnow. Look at this. Ooh. Took that bit down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Boat flip. Ugh. Ugh. Ooh. First fish. Trolling off the minnow. Let's get it. Let's get it. That like that, that's fine. Look at this. Look at that. Dalton. Look at this. Beautiful. Took it down. That was a nice little fight. Let me see if we can get a go over Dalton right quick. DLC, see if we can get a measure on him. I already know he gonna keep. That's exactly what I intend to do. Have some half shell. You got your phone on you? You got your phone? Trying to take this picture or what? I'm gonna come to you. I appreciate it. Just trolled him right behind. I literally was turning my kayak, turned over to see if I had like room, turned over. Woo! I was like, damn. Know what I'm saying? 22.5 inch. Nice looking red. 22.5. Ain't nothing like having to retire after getting on to a good red. First fish in the new yak, man. 22.5 inch red slot. Perfect size. Off the minnow. They in here. That's why it's, you know what I'm saying? Anytime you got on a boat, whether you on a kayak, canoe, whatever, you gotta have something to troll, man. Because even if you plan to fish artificials or whatever, it always pays to have either something live, whether you're just trying to see if there's fish in the area, because they're gonna bite either something live. They may not bite on something cut or dead, but they're gonna bite on something live. It's only a matter of time. Another good sized minnow. I see something right up here on this point. Just a couple little blow-ups. Ooh. Tailing. Yep. Oh, right on. Sight casted. 10-pound test. Let's get it. Yep. Sight casted that one. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Come on, baby. Light tackle. I say 20, 25, 26. Ooh, come on. Under my boat, come on. Get from under there. Come on. I got a whole net. I got one. Got all tangled in my net now. Come on. I'm telling you, I seen him tail right here at this little point. Cast it right there. Doom, doom, bow. Caught him. Barely hooked. Look at that. Beautiful little redfish. Huh? Yeah, yeah.
Right behind me, another one. They're all just...
They here. They here.
Oh, ain't no doubt about it. Fish I haven't seen in my life.
Right there. Better cast it. $23.5. Beautiful. Making a switch from the voodoo shrimp. Since the sun came out a little bit and the water's a little dirty, I'm gonna try to see if maybe one of these little AM fishing bros gold 4-inch with this gold on it, get me something pretty sweet. I think it'll work. That gold shine should put off a nice little color in this water. Oh yeah, that should be it right there, boy. I don't know if y'all could, if the camera could pick that up, but that should do it right there. Right now, about to bust it right back down to the launch, close to the launch. Probably try to fish off that bridge over there. Dalton just had him. Dalton just had him. Pretty nice little flounder. Come on. What are we on? What we got? Trout. A fucking catfish, bro. Hey, what's going down, man? I'm back on the water in the yak. You feel me? I'm finna head out to this bridge right here. Right, I'm in Bay St. Louis. I got some crabs and some minnows, man. So I'm trying to go for some sheepshead, some drum. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can put something in the yak, man. Hopefully we can take something home to the cooler. You know what I'm talking about? Or hopefully we could put something in the cooler to take home, excuse me. You know what I'm talking about? And yeah, man, I have a good feeling about today. You know what I'm talking about? I was out in front over in Long Beach to go pick this up, like this bait up, and it was windy. It was super windy. I mean, I'm talking about, it was blowing, man. It was blowing. It was rough. You know what I'm saying? So I still drove out here to Bay St. Louis to see what's going on, and it's perfect conditions, man. So hopefully it don't pick up, but all this for the fish, you know what I'm talking about? So let's do it, man. Every time I handle fiddler crabs, you always make me nervous. I don't know why. They don't be on nothing. They got that one big old claw that don't even really hurt. Boom, just like that. Some just try to yank it on the way down. Let's try this shit again. Let's do it. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. That's a good sheep then. My first sheep or what? That's a good one. I thought I was caught on the pylon. Get up, come on. Come on, what is it? Ooh, come on. Ooh, good sheep's head. Good sheep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, my first sheep's head, baby. Let's do it. Watch out for those spikes. Look at that. Look at that sheep, baby. Look at that. Got one. Got one. Oh, come on. Got one. Yep. Another good sheep. calm down. Ooh. Ooh. Hook came out in the net. Oh, no, it didn't. Yeah, it did. Right. Look at these spikes on it. It's a nice one. Look at those teeth. Get your finger caught up in there, I'm sure it'll hurt. $13 to the 4. I gotta see if that'll keep, man. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna use this time and a little bit of battery I got left to go ahead and give it like a little intermission. You know what I'm talking about? Right now, man, I'm doing decent, you feel me? I'm down to my last fiddler, you know what I'm talking about? I still got some little bait fish that I can still, you know, troll here and there, but I think with the 2 keeper sheeps that I have, I think you know, that's a good day for somebody who ain't never caught a sheepshead before, you know what I'm talking about? But make sure you go to my Instagram and hit that link in the bio, you feel me? Go to that Trill Fishing Club official merch site and get you some merch, man. Let's keep fishing, man. Let's keep growing. Let's keep going. I'm talking about there's still some more sheepshead around, so I gotta fish it. I gotta get 3. I gotta get 3. So less talking, more fishing. I had a sheep. Okay. Right here. Right here on this pylon. Alright, man, that'll do it right there, man. We was able to get out there. You feel me? I got the yak back loaded up. Gotta make an errand before I head on back to the crib and put these fillets on ice, man. You know what I'm saying? We set out to do something, we got it done. You feel me? Got 2 keeper sheepshead, a 14 1/4. Got 1 well over 14, so job well done. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's keep this shit trill, man. Let's do it.
Damn, back in my bag in a chrome hard mask. I just crashed the Ferrari cause the bitch too fast. She broke my heart to pieces, Eliana to the glass. Hit the strip club and I'm coming right back. I just bought a cig and then got kicked back. Check out the fridge and a new Maybach. Crew clutch diamonds on the top of my hands. Got her on her knees and she not praying. Taking Adderall cause I don't do Zans. For the